The Shiba Inu development team has had a huge honor bestowed upon them. Now, they've been in development for several different things for quite some time, really all of 2022 into 2023, and they're having the opportunity to unveil a portion of that. Now, they have been invited to this year's South by Southwest Festival, which is held in Austin, Texas. It's going on March 10th through the 19th, so definitely check it out if you are down there. But what they're going to be unveiling is part of the metaverse, okay, the SHIB metaverse. Now, this is going to be an opportunity to experience this in extended reality. Okay, it's a mashup between augmented reality and virtual reality, right? And this is going to be an exclusive preview for South by Southwest badge holders. Now, the SHIB metaverse, okay, we know that it looks awesome. Okay, we've seen some of the early mock-ups. We've seen actual pictures from the SHIB metaverse, some early sneak peeks, and it's incredible. Okay, there is nothing like it in the space right now. And there are some heavy hitters that are signed on to develop this. Okay, the third floor was signed on. They've done huge productions. They've done Marvel movies. They've done post work for blockbuster films. They've done video games, location-based entertainment. The list goes on and on. Okay. Huge development team. Now, not only this, but this is actually going to be powered by Unreal Engine 5.1, helping make the graphics just incredible. Graphics, scaling, all that sort of stuff, if you're familiar with it. Now, the SHIB metaverse, okay, the metaverse in general, is an area that continues to grow. Okay, it's kind of an early part of Web3. The metaverse is going to be important, and we're at a time where it is going to draw more and more attention from companies, developers, advertisers. All these sorts of different entities are interested in the metaverse. Okay, we're just at a time where the metaverse is really starting to take baby steps, and they're really looking for one that is going to lead the way. The SHIB metaverse has an opportunity to do that, and now that they've been invited to speak at this event, this festival, there is a chance to really get out ahead of everybody else and really show the power that stands behind the Shiba Inu development team. But that's all I really got for you guys in this one. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. That's really exciting news, especially if you are a Shiba Inu fan. But we appreciate you obviously stopping in, checking out the video here on the ClearCryptos channel. Do make sure you show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.